One common issue you might run into with your Anest Iwata spray gun is air leaking from your nozzle or air cap area. This is most commonly caused by a bad air valve seat set. It's easy to repair, and this video will take you through it step by step. For this repair, you will need a 10mm Allen wrench, a gun wrench or 17mm, spray gun lubricant, and a air valve seat set, part number 93843530. The first step is to remove the fluid adjust knob and needle spring. To remove the needle, compress the trigger and pull the needle out the back of the spray gun. Next, we need to remove the fluid adjust guide set. To remove, using your universal gun wrench or 17mm turned counterclockwise. If this is the first time you've removed it, it will be really tight. After loosened, remove the rest of the way by hand. When removing the fluid adjust guide, remember to also extract the air valve spring and air valve. Now that all these parts have been removed, it's time to remove the air valve seat set. Using your 10mm Allen wrench, insert till you feel it slide completely in and rotate counterclockwise. The air valve seat is fine thread and will take a minute to extract. When you remove it, be sure to not lose the air valve shaft. To reassemble our spray gun, we will first start with the air valve seat sets. Remove the air valve shaft from the old air valve seat set. Discard that off to the side. Take your air valve shaft and place a little bit of spray gun lubricant over the shaft and spread thoroughly. Then insert to your new air valve seat set. Put a little bit of spray gun lubricant on your threads to help with installation. Carefully insert the air valve seat set into your spray gun, and using your 10mm Allen wrench, turn clockwise to reinstall. It will go in nice and smooth. Make sure you do not cross thread. Tighten until it is flush with the spray gun body right behind the trigger and it is nice and snug. Next, you're going to take the air valve and spring, inserting it over the top of the fluid adjust guide set and installing it to the spray gun as one. Turn clockwise to tighten. And use your universal gun wrench or 17mm to tighten nice and snug. Now install your needle, followed by your fluid needle spring and fluid adjust knob. Your spray gun repair is now complete and ready to go back into full-time use. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please leave us any comments below on any future content you'd like to see come from us. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us across all social media platforms.